Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to top up data in Geo using the MyGeo application. First, ensure you have the MyGeo app installed on your smartphone. Open the application and log in securely with your registered Geo mobile number. Once inside, you will find a Recharge tab, typically located at the bottom of your screen. Tapping this will lead you to various recharge options, including data add-ons. After navigating to the data add-on section, you will see a comprehensive list of available data packs. These packs offer various data allowances, often ranging from 1 GB to 50 GB, with different validities. Carefully review each option to choose the one that perfectly aligns with your data requirements. Once you have made your decision, confirm your selection to move forward. Now it is time to complete your purchase. The MyGeo app offers several secure payment options for your convenience. You can choose to pay using Unified Payments Interface, commonly known as UPI net banking, or your credit or debit card. Carefully enter all necessary payment details, ensuring accuracy. Once confirmed, your transaction will be processed, and your data top-up will be activated instantly. Upon successful completion of your payment, you will receive an immediate confirmation message, usually via SMS. Your newly added data balance will be promptly updated and visible within the MyGeo application. You can easily monitor your remaining data allowance at any time by simply checking the app's dashboard. Now, you are all set to enjoy uninterrupted internet browsing, streaming, and all your online activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.